In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discard all your drafts in Gmail. If your drafts folder has been piling up with unfinished emails, cleaning it out can make your inbox feel lighter and easier to manage. We're going to use the built-in option that lets you remove every draft at once, and I'll walk you through exactly where to click so it's quick and stress-free. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your mailbox sections like Inbox and Sent. In that list, look for Drafts and click it. This opens a page that shows all of your saved drafts in one place, so you can see everything that's about to be removed. At the top of the Drafts page, just above the list of messages, you'll notice a small checkbox. It sits in the same row as the toolbar and is designed to select messages on the page. Click that checkbox. When you do, Gmail selects all the drafts that are visible in the list. As soon as those drafts are selected, you'll see a new option appear that says, Discard all drafts. This prompt appears near the top of the page so you can take a single action instead of deleting each draft one by one. Go ahead and click Discard all drafts. Gmail may show a quick confirmation or simply remove them right away. Either way, once you confirm, those drafts are cleared from your drafts folder. Keep in mind that discarding drafts means they're no longer saved as editable emails, so be sure you don't need the content before you proceed. You'll know it worked when the list of drafts disappears and the drafts label count on the left drops. If you had a lot of unfinished messages cluttering things up, you should notice a much cleaner sidebar immediately. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to Drafts, click the checkbox at the top, and then choose Discard all drafts. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. If the drafts page looks empty but still shows a number next to the label, give it a moment while Gmail updates. Also, if you only want to keep a few important drafts, you can deselect those before you discard, but make sure you've identified them first so you don't remove anything you meant to keep. And that's the process. With just a few clicks, you've cleared your drafts folder and made space for what actually matters in your inbox.